That's got him. Better length, better line, perfect result. First Test wicket for James Anderson at the end of his third over. Zimbabwe are 20 for 1.
Yeah, this is what England expected of Anderson. It really is a good delivery. There's not been much movement around.
Maybe capable of putting on another yard of pace. Bowled him out. Tremendous stuff. Well, we saw it in the World Cup, the Anderson Yorker. It's worked again for him here today at Lord's.
Fast, full length, swinging Yorker. Almost unplayable. You can hear the anguish from the batsman. That's a cracker. An absolute belter, middle stump.
His friend's first ball. That's not too friendly, is it? He's on a hat-trick now, James Anderson. Clean bowl, first ball. Anderson benefiting from pitching the ball further up. 2 scalps, clean bowled in successive balls.
This is scintillating bowling from Anderson, full of length.
That's a good catch. That is a fine catch. Made to look very, very easy by Mark Butcher.
It's good bowling. He's just been swinging everything into the left-hander. This, if anything, goes the other way.
It's all over now. That's the end of the innings. James Anderson has finished with a bang. 5 wickets for him, 5 for 73. What a sight that is for any bowler. The off stump knocked out of the ground. England, and especially James Anderson here, on a roll. Zimbabwe bowled out for 147.
Gone. Great piece of bowling. You're dead right, England bowling well. Inexperienced attack. Jimmy Anderson might just be staying on for 2 or 3 more overs. This is a big wicket.
Bowled in, brilliant bowling from Anderson, mixing up the in-swingers and out-swingers, and in the end, Ganguly, playing with no foot movement, has gone.
Oh, bowled him. Inside edge, in ducker. Ball for and got.
Swung away, top of off, play that.
Oh, bowled him with an absolute snorter. Across him, previous delivery, brings one, swinging back in, off stumps gone.
Well, he's thrown the wide one out to him just now. He went after that. I think initially he's thinking about leaving this. It's clever bowling.
Well, that's how to finish it. That's how to get rid of the number 11. Jimmy Anderson delivers the full straight Yorker. Gets almost underneath the bat of Imran Tahir. And everyone at this ground now knows what is required. Beautifully bowled. Anderson has 5. 13th time that he's got a 5-wicket haul in Test matches. And that was an absolute beauty.
Oh, that's a cracker. And he's deserved every one of these.
The old ball will do for Jimmy Anderson, the big in-swinger, and Australia are 9 down.
Oh, has he hit that off the bat? Yes, he has.
What a beauty and an excellent catch from Matt Pryor, almost off the back of the bat. Oh, out. Full, straight. Herath was expecting the short ball, and his middle stump has been sent cartwheeling back.
Edged and gone this time. Mark Pryor doesn't drop on this occasion.
Oh, what a catch, Jimmy Anderson. And it's a key wicket as well. Rahane, no sooner as he got through to that 100, he has chipped the ball back. And Anderson has taken a quite remarkable one-handed catch.
Bowled him! It's an elite club, and Anderson's just joined it. Fabulous moment. Shane, you got a new member.
Yeah, welcome to the club, Jimmy Anderson. What a delivery to get it bowled out the middle stump. Excellent stuff. His teammates get around him. The crowd's on their feet clapping, and well done, Jimmy Anderson. 500 Test match wickets. Great stuff.
absolute ripper.
Well, it is. It's a great bowler producing a great delivery. Round the wicket, angling in, moving away, and just clipping that off bail. An absolute cracker.
Oh, bowled him. The end is nigh. He's having a ball, Jimmy Anderson, around the wicket to the left-hander and castles him.
Nipped one past the outside edge of Shea Hope, and he's gone past the outside edge of Bishop to hit the off stump.
Oh, that's out. That's a beauty. He has bowled some beauties in this Test match. He really has. All summer. That went up the hill. It was too good for Roach. Put all that to bed. Oh, that's out. That is out. That is Anderson at his best. Top of off. England have won. 12 for 1.
Brilliant from Anderson. It was fuller than the first two deliveries. It swung late. Beautiful delivery.
Your footwork has got to be good against this man. What a delivery.
It's back through the gate, inside edge, given straight away. Anderson back in the wickets, and it's a pair for VJ.
And a pair of good deliveries. 100th Test match wicket at Lord's. Oh, gone. Twice to Anderson. He is a brilliant bowler, he really is, and he was too good for Kuldeep Yadav.